Not for down. Which one do you want to take? I take the pineapple. You want the watermelon? Is it big? You cannot lift it. Use your two hands and carry it up. Use your both hands and carry it up. Uh-huh. Where are you going to? It's sweet. It's very sweet. Huh? Wow, you are enjoying it. Mama, you are enjoying your watermelon. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Okay. I eat now. Mama, you are enjoying yourself. Eh? You're even sitting, you're even lying down. I stand up. Sit down. Madam, sit down now. How can you lie down and be eating fruit? Eh? What is digga digga?